The anxiety about the future of the students has led to the formation of the smart class in our school. The principal was always worried about what will be the future of our students, and finally he decided to join hands with XandY Learning. And I think it's being very helpful for our students with their video classes and online classes. Since the field of education is very competitive nowadays, it's very important that we start with this coaching in the very beginning, that is in the beginning of 8th standard itself. And now our students are really doing well, and we had given enough opportunity to all the students to join this class, and those with talents and interest in writing entrance exam and joining the professional courses have given their names, and from that also we have filtered the students and selected the students. And I think these students are doing very well with the video classes, and I am thankful to all the crew members of this XandY Learning for their offline classes also, which is being very beneficial. Number of students who are studying in 10th standard have got a very good position when they had appeared for the entrance exams, that is for joining the coaching classes. And it was really because of the interest that the teachers of this XandY Learning had taken, and the principal has selected myself and Shamim sir as the coordinator, and we were really able to help our students whenever they needed it. And I thank all the crew members for this. Thank you.